Want to unlock explosive growth on Pinterest by zeroing in on the massive US audience? Let's dive straight in. First, you'll need a Pinterest business account. Head to the Ads tab. This is where the magic happens. Click Create Campaign and choose your campaign objective. Whether it's brand awareness, website traffic, or conversions, select the goal that aligns with your business. Now, in the targeting section, find the location field. Type in United States and select it from the drop-down menu. Boom, you're now exclusively targeting users in the US. But don't stop there, refine your targeting further. Explore demographics to target specific age ranges or genders within the US, and leverage interests to connect with users passionate about topics relevant to your niche. Think American cuisine or US travel destinations. Finally, nail your keyword targeting. Brainstorm terms your US audience is searching for. Keywords like USA fashion trends, American-made products, or budget travel US can significantly improve your campaign's performance. Targeting the US audience on Pinterest is that simple. Now go create engaging content, target smart, and watch your results soar. See you in the next video.